we need just to make sure that this is the right one exactly. So okay, so this is the right height. This was just an extra part. So even right here, if we take the fibs from this low to this high, we have right here 1.9 or something like this. It was very close to 2, okay? So right here, we do the fibs the same way. And this is what we are looking for, a long position from here. And the target right here is this high, the TCW, the high of the child wave, the mother wave, sorry. And also in this case, we can hold the position to the breakout of this high, okay? But of course, you need to take at least 90%, 80% of your profits right here. And also, we don't forget something else, something very important, the self-similarity, okay? This is the child wave. So it was in this way, it was in this way. And then we have like this, we have like this. It was in this way, it was in this way, and go down. So it's self-similar, like 100%, okay? So this is the analysis on that.
Also,
Okay?
as is also we have this gap here, right?
Yeah, this
Well,
gap, yeah. So even this gap was copied right here. Excellent. This gap was copied right here. So from here, from this level to here.